Better beating broke, we need more than hoping you won't get it sitting on your ass. Be the owner and employ yourself, circulate them dollars in the black hands. Bank account low and you all out of dope.
All right, so I'm about to explain the process of how like loading your trading account and all of that good stuff goes. So basically, for me, I'm gonna use myself for example. So I had a job. I was driving trucks. I got paid through direct deposit. I had them direct deposit my money to my Cash App card. So from my Cash App card, you can buy and sell Bitcoin through Cash App. So you have to basically you have to basically like verify your email account or whatever in order to buy the Bitcoins and stuff. So one, it might take like 30 minutes, it might take a day, something like that. But basically, you buy the Bitcoins, and then once you bought the Bitcoins, the amount of money that you want to put into your trading account. That's how much Bitcoins you buy. So if you want to buy 100, then I mean you want to put $100 in your account, then you buy $100 worth of Bitcoins. What up, Red? What up, Rick? What up, Big T? You will buy $100 worth of Bitcoins, and the broker that you would use, the broker that I use, I can't legally tell y'all, to buy to use this broker, but the broker that I use is Hugo's Way. So with Hugo's Way, what you would do is you would sign up for a Hugo's Way account, you would open up an account, and what you would do is you would deposit the Bitcoins that you bought from your Cash App into your Hugo's Way account. So once you deposit the Bitcoins that you bought into your Hugo's Way account, it would transfer it. That's where you would transfer it into your MetaTrader 4 account. So how we set that up, that demo account up, you would set up a real account and you would connect it to Hugo's Way the same way that we did. Only difference is it would say live or real next to it instead of demo. And
Okay.
once you deposit the Bitcoins into your Hugo's Way account, it'll pop up on your MetaTrader 4 instantly. Once the process is finished, once you went from Cash App to the Bitcoin, from the Bitcoin to the Hugos, from the Hugos to the MetaTrader, now you have money in
Wow.
your account. Now you can trade with your real money. Now, how you take the money out of the Hugo's Ways account is, you go to the Hugo's Way, you'll take the money from your trading account, from your MetaTrader account, and you would put it into your Hugo's Way. So that is where you will see a balance of numbers on your Hugo's Way account. And from there, you convert them back into Bitcoins the same way that you loaded it. You convert them back into Bitcoins and you deposit those Bitcoins back into your own Cash App the same way that you loaded it. And once that transaction finished, you'll have Bitcoins in your thing. You sell the Bitcoins like the same way that you bought them, and that'll convert back into cash, which will be in your which will be in your Cash App account or whichever account you used to load it or buy the Bitcoins. And
So you gotta sell your Bitcoins first?
you buy the Bitcoins and you put your Bitcoins into your Hugo's Way account. And then from there, you convert your Bitcoins into US dollars, and you're putting those Bitcoin slash US dollars into your MetaTrader 4 account.
Uh-huh.
So it takes about the first time you crank up your Cash App or whatever, it might take a day. Like for the Bitcoin thing to go through or whatever, it might take a day, it might take an hour. Once you buy the Bitcoins, it probably takes any about 30 minutes to from you buying your Bitcoins, depositing them into your Hugo's Way. That takes about 30 minutes. Once it's in your Hugo's Way, it may take 5 minutes or less to transfer it from your Bitcoins in your Hugo's Way to US dollars into your MetaTrader 4 account. So the first time doing it, it might take an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe a day. But once you've got money in your trading account, boom, you're lit. It's instant. Okay. And when you want to take them out of your trading account, you would convert them back to Bitcoins and deposit those Bitcoins from your Hugo's Way account into your Cash App or whatever avenue you use to buy the Bitcoins. So now you got Bitcoins again. You sell your Bitcoins, boom, and that will convert your Bitcoins back into US dollars in your Cash App account. So that's pretty much low.
I just sell it to the same people I bought it from, right?
Exactly. You're selling it back to the same people. Like if you did Cash App like I did, you're selling them right back through the Cash App, and then boom, from the Cash App, it converts back to US dollars. And if you got Cash App, and you know it doesn't take long for that to happen. That's pretty much the process from beginning to end of loading your account, making money, and taking money out of your account and putting it back to however you loaded it. I'm glad that you asked me that question. No, you do not let other people do this for you because it deals with your Cash App. It deals with your, it doesn't directly deal with your accounting and routing number, but if you're doing it through Cash App, then yeah, it kind of does. So nobody needs to do this for you. You can do this on your own. You can load your account on your own. You can withdraw your money on your own. That is how people be getting scammed with this Forex shit, because they let somebody else load their account for them. You pretty much just giving away your account information and shit. So we do not want to do that.
Now I can load my own account. I was just talking about this, the whole other process, but it seems very simple. You know,
Like fools, better beating broke. We need more than hoping. You won't get it sitting on your ass. Be the owner and employ yourself. Circulate them dollars in the black hands. Bank account low and you all out of